Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says, a solution of sodium in liquid ammonia is strongly reducing due to the presence of. This should be strongly. यहाँ पर एक printing mistake है इस question में. This should be strongly. This is strongly reducing due to the presence of. Option A में given है sodium atoms. Option B में given है sodium hydride. Option C में given है sodium amide और option D में given है solvated electrons. देखते हैं इस question को. इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है solvated electrons produced on reaction of sodium with liquid ammonia. देखते हैं what is this reaction and what are these solvated electrons that are produced. So sodium जो है यानी कि Na, this is an element of the group 1 of the periodic table, that is the alkali metals. ये ग्रुप 1 यानी कि alkali metals ग्रुप का एक एलिमेंट है and these alkali metals when they are dissolved in ammonia, or we can say that their solutions in ammonia, liquid ammonia, their solutions in liquid ammonia, that is NH3, produces ammoniated electrons. इनका जो solution होता है liquid ammonia में, they produces ammoniated electrons. Ammoniated electrons का मतलब है electrons which are solvated in ammonia. In ammoniated electrons को हम solvated electrons भी कह सकते हैं. जब alkali metals का solutions हम बनाते हैं liquid ammonia, then they produce ammoniated electrons or solvated electrons, and these electrons impart a deep blue color to the solution. They impart a deep blue color to the solution. अगर हम इसके लिए इनका केमिकल रिएक्शन लिखना चाहे तो दैट विल बी सोडियम प्लस लिक्विड अमोनिया, sodium plus liquid ammonia, that is when sodium is dissolved in liquid ammonia, then it forms a sodium ammonia complex which is NaNH3X. Suppose instead of writing this we can write when sodium reacts with, suppose say x plus y moles of ammonia. जब sodium let's say x plus y moles of ammonia के साथ react करता है, then वो form करता है एक sodium ammonia complex which looks like this NaNH3X. इस पे overall positive charge होगा और इसके साथ form होता है ammoniated electrons, that is electrons which are solvated in ammonia. That will be E. E is for electron. ENH3Y. इसका overall charge होगा minus. So these are the ammoniated electrons or the solvated electrons that are formed in this process when sodium is dissolved in liquid ammonia. And these electrons which are produced, क्योंकि इस process में ये electrons release हुए हैं, these electrons which are released are responsible for the strongly reducing nature of these solutions. For the strongly reducing nature of these solutions. Reducing nature का मतलब है ये solution जो है ये दूसरों को reduce कर सकता है. अगर किसी substance को reduce कर सकता है उसका मतलब है they can donate electrons to that other substance which will get reduced. और ये जो electrons release होते हैं, these electrons can be donated. These electrons can be donated or provided for reduction, or we can write these electrons can be supplied for reduction of other substances. कोई भी दूसरा substance जो है इन electrons को gain करके reduce हो सकता है. As we know that reduction means gain of electrons. So any other substance can accept these electrons or gain these electrons that are produced in this reaction and they can get reduced. So we can say that these electrons are responsible for the reducing properties of this solution or the strongly reducing nature of these solutions, because they have these extra electrons which they can provide for reduction of other substances. So question check, options check कर लेते हैं. Options में given है a solution of sodium in liquid ammonia is strongly reducing due to the presence of, option A has sodium atoms. This is not true. This entire solution is not reducing due to the presence of sodium atoms. It is also not reducing due to the presence of sodium hydride. यहाँ पर sodium hydride की formation होती ही नहीं है. Sodium amide की formation much later stage में होती है, and this is not responsible for the reducing nature. These solvated electrons are responsible for the reducing nature, यानी कि strongly reducing nature of these solutions, because they can be donated. So the correct answer to your question is option D, that is solvated electrons. I hope आपको समझ आ गया हो. Best of luck.